Hey guys, I made cheesecake out of my homemade cashew cream cheese. And this is a cookie crumb crust because I can never find vegan graham crackers. If you can find vegan graham crackers and you have a good graham cracker crust, go ahead and use it. But I did offer up a lemon shortbread cookie recipe which you can turn into crumbs and turn into a cheesecake crust. Along with the homemade cream cheese, there's also some homemade cashew milk in here. And of course I topped it with cherry pie filling. You can top it with lots of different things. It's a classic baked cheesecake. It is flavored with lemon, but you know, blueberry would be good. Lemon curd would be good. Pixie wants cheesecake. I'm thinking maybe like an orange marmalade might be nice too. I've never had orange marmalade on top of a cheesecake, but I made so darn much cheesecake. I can probably try another piece with orange marmalade and let you guys know what it's like. The recipe will be, and this is a huge cheesecake. You might want to cut the recipe in half. This is probably actually 2 servings, this wedge here. It probably makes 16 servings because I know it's very rich. The recipe will be on my blog, and so will the recipes for the cookies and how to make the crust, and the recipe for my previous video. The video will be linked. Okay, let's see. The using homemade vegan dairy foods in recipes playlist will be linked. The videos for the cream cheese and the cashew milk will be linked. And I want to thank everybody again. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for the likes, the very nice people who give me likes on my videos. And thanks for the commenting. You know, if you're new, go ahead and leave a comment. People are very friendly in the comment section. We have a few weirdos, but they're nice weirdos. You know who you are. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And, I'm still not totally in the habit of tasting while I'm recording, but I have to taste this while I'm recording. Open up wide. Oh, you would not know that this is vegan. It is so creamy and decadent, and the crust is perfect. Let me get more cherries. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm not going to be able to finish this whole hunk because it's very rich. A little goes a long way. I'll have one more bite and then that may be it. I don't know. Yep. It's really good with the cherries. I think next I'll try it with blueberry. Okay, guys. I hope you guys try this. You know, you don't have to make the cream cheese. You could probably use store-bought cream cheese. But it's definitely worth making. It's really good if you like cheesecake. So anyway, I'll see you later.